What is the name of the mission launched by ISRO to study the Sun? Correct option is C. Aditya L1. Which country has introduced the prototype of the world's fastest high-speed train? Correct option is D. China. The BrahMos NG missile is a collaborative development between India and which nation? Correct option is A. Russia. Which country has recently become the second largest 5G market globally? Right option is C. India. Which organization has collaborated with IIT Madras for the Hyperloop Test Track project? Correct option is B. Indian Railways. Which spacecraft brought NASA astronaut Sunita Williams on Earth from International Space Station? Correct option is D. SpaceX Crew Dragon. In which city has India's AI supercomputer Aarjaw been installed? Right option is C. Pune. Which country performed the world's first successful pig kidney transplant in a human? Correct option is B. United States. In which Indian state is the Satyendra Nath Bose Astronomical Observatory established in January? Correct option is C. West Bengal. Which Indian telecom companies have recently signed agreements with SpaceX to bring Starlink's satellite internet services to India? Correct option is B. Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel. Which country has recently built a 3D printed railway station in 6 hours? Right option is A. Japan. Which country is leading the artificial sun project EAST recently in the news? Right option is C. China. Elon Musk's SpaceX has launched a satellite service under which name for superfast internet? Correct option is A. Starlink Mini. Which biotech company has recently succeeded in reviving the extinct direwolf using advanced DNA technology and gene editing techniques? Correct option is B. Colossal Biosciences. Which country has launched the world's first 6G device in 2024? Right option is D. Japan. Where in India first underwater metro train service started in 2024? Right option is D. Kolkata. By which name has ISRO recently successfully launched the country's most advanced weather satellite? Correct option is A. INSAT 3DS. Which country's scientist recently discovered plastic-eating fungi? Correct option is B. Germany. Which country launched the world's first wooden satellite named Lignosat using SpaceX's rocket? Correct option is C. Japan. What is the name of India's second nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine? Correct option is B. INS Arikhat. Recently, by what name has Google officially launched its new AI model? Correct option is A. Gemini. Where was India's first bio-bitumen highway inaugurated? Right option is C. Nagpur, Maharashtra. Recently, scientists of which Indian educational institution have developed a new vaccine to fight malaria? Right option is B. Jawaharlal Nehru University. By what name Elon Musk has recently launched its AI chatbot? Correct option is D. Grok. What is the name of India's first anti-pesticide bodysuit designed to protect farmers? Correct option is B. Kisan Kavach. Who has launched India's first AI data bank to boost security and innovation of country? Correct option is A. Jitendra Singh. Which IIT developed issues that generate electricity with each step and provide real-time location? Correct option is C. IIT Indore. Which country has launched the navigation satellite Michibiki 6 on 2nd February 2025? Correct option is B. Japan. In vitro gametogenesis, IVG, which was in the news recently, is related to what? Its right option is A. New reproductive technology. What is the name of Google's newly inaugurated campus in Bengaluru, which is one of its largest globally? Correct option is B. Ananta. What is the name of the world's first government-funded multimodal large language model recently launched by India? Correct option is D. BharatGen. Which of the following supercomputers was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as part of India's national supercomputing mission? Correct option is B. Paramrudra. Where has the world's highest astronomical observatory been recently inaugurated? Correct option is C. Atacama Desert, Chile. Which country has launched its first space agency, Korea Aerospace Administration? Correct option is B. South Korea. Which city became India's first solar city? Right option is A. Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh. The Chandrayaan-5 mission is a collaborative lunar exploration initiative between India and which country? Correct option is B. Japan. Where has ISRO Chairman B. Narayanan recently inaugurated Ramkrishnan Thermal Research Center? Correct option is C. IIT Madras. What is the rank of India in the world mobile manufacturing? Correct option B. Second. Which of the following AI chatbot has recently launched by China? Correct option is A. DeepSeek. Which country has developed electrokinetic mining for extraction of rare earth elements? Correct option is C. China. Where has DRDO recently successfully tested the Very Short Range Air Defense System? Correct option is D. Odisha. Recently, from which space center ISRO has achieved its 100th satellite launch? Right option is B. Satish Dhawan Space Center. Which state government has recently announced plans to launch its own satellite? Right option is C. Assam. Who will become the first Indian astronauts to visit the International Space Station in 2025? Right option is B. Shubhanshu Shukla. Who has recently created oxygen for rocket fuel in space using artificial photosynthesis? Correct option is D. China. Where was the Astra missile successfully tested from the Tejas Mk1 prototype on 12th March? Correct option is C. Odisha. Which institute has developed needle-free shock syringes for painless injections? Correct option is C. IIT Bombay. Which space agency launched the lunar satellite to detect and map water on the moon? Correct option is B. NASA. Which country launched the world's first methane-fueled space rocket in December 2024? Correct option is A. China. Which country is going to build first deep-water space station? Right option is B. China. Recently, which country's private company's lander, Blue Ghost, has landed on the moon? Correct option is C. America. Where was India's first Namo Bharat Rapid Rail launched? Correct option is D. Gujarat. Which American company is establishing a $2.75 billion semiconductor assembly in Sanand? Correct option is B. Micron Technology.